What's the meaning of beneficent? Beneficent. Beneficent.
Beneficent. Beneficent.
The word beneficent is an adjective that describes someone or something that is generous, kind, and does good. A beneficent individual is someone who gives to others without expecting anything in return, often through acts of charity or philanthropy.
A beneficent organization is one that is committed to improving people's lives, such as a non-profit or a foundation.
The term can also be used to describe the positive effects of something, such as a beneficent policy or law that has helped people.